Hi everyone, so today we are going to create this peel of effect in Blender. Select your main object, duplicate it, come to modifier tab, add a displace modifier, set the strength to 0.000t, set the mid level to 0, and then come to particle property, add an in particle system, set the number to 100, and set the frame start and frame end to 0, set the lifetime to 200, then come to physics and set the physics type to none, then come to render and set the render as to none as well, then come to viewport display, set the display as to points and set the size to 0.01, then come to twist base, set the gravity to 0, then come to modifiers tab again and add explode modifier, check cut edges, then let's right click, convert to and select mesh to apply all the modifiers. Then come to physics tab, add a cloth physics. Make sure to rename this object to cloth. Then select your main product and add a pleasant to it. Then select cloth object. Come to set the speed multiplier to 0.1 and come to stiffness, set the tension, compression and shear to 5. Set the bending to 0.05. Then come to damping. Set the tension, compression and shear to 0. Set the bending to 0.1. Then come down to shape. Then collisions and check set collision. Then select your cloth object, go into edit mode, press A to select everything, then come to object data properties. Then add a new vertex group and hit assign. Then come to physics tab, come to shape and select that twin group from here. Then come to field weights and set the gravity to 0. Then come to modifiers tab, add a vertex weight proximity node. Select that vertex group from here and place it above your cloth modifier. Set the proximity node to geometry, set the fall of the smooth. Then add a empty sphere. Place it here. Press I on your keyboard to add a keyframe. Then select your cloth object and make sure to disable your cloth physics in the viewport to stop the lag. Then come frame 150 and place the empty here. Press I again to add a keyframe. Now select your cloth object. Send the target object to empty. Then select your cloth object again. Go into weight paint mode. Press play. When your empty comes here, play with the lowest and highest value to get the result like this. Then enable the cloth modifier and then select the cloth. Come to physics tab under cache. One more thing, if you have a good computer, set the quality steps to 20. Otherwise, set it to 5. If you don't have a good computer, set it to 5. Then come to cache and hit pay. Now wait until it's done.